Joshulala.
Joe and the Curious Cloud. Welcome to Joshulala. Today, Joe meets a very curious cloud and learns something magical. One Sunday morning, Joe stepped outside. She looked up and saw something funny. A tiny cloud with big eyes floating above her head. Joe giggled. "Hi, little cloud. Are you following me?" "Why are you always near me?" Joe asked. The cloud blinked and said, "Because you ask lovely questions." Joe smiled wide. She loved asking questions. Joe sat under her favorite tree and started to wonder. Do clouds wear pajamas? Do they eat cotton candy? Do they giggle when the wind tickles them? Her friends Tara and Sam came running. "Joe, where do you get all these fun questions?" Tara asked. Joe smiled and said, "Questions aren't silly. Asking helps us learn and grow." Sam nodded. "That's cool. I want to try too." The little cloud floated up slowly and winked. "Keep wondering, Joe. Curiosity is your superpower." And then it drifted into the sky. Joe waved goodbye and whispered, "I didn't get all the answers, but asking was awesome. I will never stop wondering." Moral of the story: asking questions help us learn, grow, and discover magical things. It's okay to be curious because curiosity makes our world bigger and brighter. Be curious just like Joe. If you enjoyed Joe's magical adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming stories from Joshulala. Bye bye.